Hi, it's Filip from Easy Tutorials, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Canva to easily and quickly create beautiful presentations for free. Just click the link in the description to go to the Canva website and create an account there. It's not mandatory, but you can also try the pro version of Canva for free for 30 days and see how it works for you. We will use the free Canva version for this tutorial. Just type in the presentation in the search bar. Over here you can choose your presentation template. If you go on the left side, you can filter by theme style and so on. I'll go with a pitch deck, for example, and choose this one over here. On the left side you can choose your slides or pages that will be shown here at the bottom. To start, let's select the first slide and just click on the text to change it. To change the font style, click on text and click up here, and change the font style you want. Make sure to use the same font for all your texts to keep the design consistent. Just select texts and change the font style. If you can select text, make sure to go up here and click on Group to make your text selectable. You can always group it back later. To change font color, just select the part of your text and click on the color text icon and change color here. To change the background of the slide, click on the background and click on the color box in the top menu and change color. I'll keep it black since it fits perfectly to our presentation. To move elements, just click and drag them where you want to position them. To delete elements, just select this graphic, for example, and hit delete. Now click Elements in the left menu and click on the frame, and move the frame to the right and reduce the size by clicking and dragging edges of the blue box. Now go to Photos and just drag and drop the photo onto the frame to fit it inside. Nice and easy, right? Let's move to the second slide. And over here you can add some text. And drag and select all of the texts. And quickly change the font style. Delete the side graphics and go to Photos and add photo. Drag it, resize it. And use the handles on the side to easily crop the image. To add your own images, click on the Uploads on the side menu and upload images here. Record yourself or upload from social media or Google Drive. To add new text, for example, on the first slide, just go Text and add body text, for example. Change font size and font style. Use the handles to make the text box. To align it to the left, click on the Align tool in the top menu. You can add bullet points or change the letter spacing or line spacing as you wish. Or anchor the text box to make it in the middle, for example. Use this top bar to easily manipulate your text how you want. To delete unwanted slides, just select one, hold Shift key on your keyboard and select the last one and hit delete on your keyboard. And finally, to change slide duration, click up here and edit the timing of each slide. You can present directly from Canva if you click the Present button on the top. And choose between Standard, Autoplay and Presenter View that will allow you to see your notes. Or you can download the presentation in PDF format or image formats like PNG or JPG. One good thing with Canva is to download it in a PowerPoint format so you can open your presentation in PowerPoint and edit your presentation there. To do this, click these three little dots and click Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's it. As you can see, we just created a beautiful presentation using only free stuff in Canva. Now all you need to do is to choose your template, change some text and images, and you will have a nice and professional presentation. If you like this video, drop some likes and comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.